Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Flix Vision on Firestick. Alright, let's begin. Now, the first thing you want to do is install the downloader app on your device. For that, head over to the search menu and access the URL bar. Then, tap on the select button on your remote, type linktree/FlixVision and click the go button. Once done, select the download app now button and the downloading will get started. Once it completes, select the install button and wait for it to be installed. After that, tap on done and you will get back to the downloaded app. Simply select the delete button and select delete again to confirm the action. After you're done with it, get back to the home screen and then select the app drawer icon from the right side. Now, the Flix Vision app will be displayed at the bottom. Also, if you want, you can just select move from the menu and then move the app tile to the top so that you can access it easily. So that's basically how you can install Flix Vision on Firestick. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.